wanted to talk to someone with racing in their blood. So we talked to retired NASCAR driver Ken Regan. All right, family, welcome back to Muscle and Classics. Right now, it's a privilege for me to be sitting here with this gentleman, Mr. Kenneth Regan. NASCAR living legend. Trying to break into NASCAR, what type of hurdles or roadblocks you think that's going to be standing there?
Well, she'll find a lot of opportunities. The problem that everybody faces, all kids that face, is the money that has got involved in auto racing anymore. And you know what it costs to really put a good competitive, you know, whether it be a late model or a K&N NASCAR car or ARCA car, whatever.
Yeah.
It really costs a lot of money. Now, we go back to the Bandolero car and the Legends car. That's a spec series. We've got a rule book that's got a lot of specs in it. And, you know, we seal engines, and we have a spec tire, and pretty much a spec brake package, and a spec chassis. And, you know, we try to keep it affordable. Our sanctioning body is known as INEX, I-N-E-X. That's an abbreviation from inexpensive racing. And we pride ourselves in that we try to keep it affordable where a wide range of families can come in and compete at a high level without having to spend a family fortune to do it. In our series, you'll find that the drivers from 8 to 80, and pretty much all in between, the ones that race the most and do it the most, are usually up front.
Yes.
Now, I'm not saying that there's some differences in talent, there is. And that talent starts to show itself after a number of races.
Well, Mr. Regan, on behalf of the Muscle and Classics family home and ourselves here at the set, thank you so much. It's been a complete honor sitting down with you.
Well, I've enjoyed it. We welcome you to come back. And
we'll be back.
and you're welcome anytime. You know, we appreciate having you.
All right, thank you so much. Do you have a car, truck, or bike that should be featured right here on Muscle and Classics? If so, share it with us on our Facebook or our Instagram at Muscle and Classics.